Welcome to Marvão Castle, a medieval fortress that rises high above the Alentejo region of Portugal. With its incredible views and centuries of history, this is one of Portugal's most captivating hidden gems. Built in the 13th century, Marvão Castle stands as a testament to Portugal's medieval past. Its towering walls and strategic hilltop location made it nearly impenetrable during its time, and today, it offers visitors a glimpse into life during the Middle Ages. The views from the castle are absolutely breathtaking. From here, you can see both Portugal and Spain, with the Serra de Salmameda mountain range stretching into the horizon. It's the perfect spot to take in the stunning landscape and feel like you're on top of the world. Just as impressive as the castle itself are the gardens. These immaculately maintained spaces offer a peaceful retreat with vibrant flowers and lush greenery that add to the magical atmosphere of Marvão. Stroll through the garden paths and take a moment to enjoy the serenity. Be sure to explore the castle's hidden gems, including its towers and secret passageways. Every corner of Marvão Castle is filled with history, offering a new discovery at every turn. After exploring the castle, don't miss the charming village of Marvão just below. With its whitewashed houses, cobblestone streets, and local shops, it's like stepping into another time. Grab a coffee at one of the quaint cafes and enjoy the slow pace of life in this picturesque village. To make the most of your visit, come in the spring or fall when the weather is perfect for exploring the castle and gardens. Tickets can be purchased at the entrance, and you'll want to set aside a couple of hours to fully take in the castle, gardens, and village. Marvão Castle is not just a fortress. It's a journey through time, offering spectacular views, peaceful gardens, and a sense of history that lingers in the air. If you're traveling through Alentejo, make sure to add this hidden gem to your list.